That's right, folks. I'm in Long Point, Port Rowan right now. Gonna go camping over there somewhere. Just got some delicious ice cream from the ice cream parlor. Good times are ahead. Ice cream parlor. You got firewood. And here's where you register. Here's the main gate coming in. You gotta go turn around here, go to the back of the building and park to register. Here we are at the Long Point dock. You put your boat in to go fishing. Nice little channel. Some interesting signs. At this time of year, there's apparently a fish ban in this area in the red outline, so they can spawn. All the fish you can catch here. View here of the campsite. And that's the beach over there. We got a pirate ship play place here. Basketball court. More fun equipment. Swings. Zip lining. And a giant here's the beach down on the campground outside. Believe it's Cottontail, but don't quote me. Fairly nice, lots of airspace. Hello. Good morning. Bit of a rough night last night, just a little. Wind started picking up. Had to get rid of my rain tarp. That's because it was getting a little windy and annoying. Wind has died down now. Did get a little cold too, once again on the bottom side, so I grabbed the sleeping bag. Other than that, pretty comfortable. Seems like it's pretty nice out. Let's get started with the day. So this is just the trail that comes out to the beach just off my campsite. Lake Erie here. As you can see, I got wet. It's not too bad, a little cold. So here I am at Big Creek, I think it is. So they've done some work here. So I am here. And look how big that is. Have to see what we can get done for canoeing tomorrow. They got this little gate contraption here. Well protected to keep the turtles safe, so they get forced to cross underneath the road. And Big Creek is 773 hectares of a wetland. There are over 4,000 hectares of wildlife habitat here. As you can see from here, Big Creek, here's where I will be staying. And all this we don't have access to. A view of Big Creek from on top of the tower. And that's Long Point Bay over there. Found our way into Big Creek. As you can probably tell, it looks pretty windy. I don't think I can handle this solo in a canoe. Gonna bail. So here we are at the Turkey Point day use area. I'm gonna sit down and make myself some breakfast. Just battling my severe allergies right now. So here I am, all set up to make my breakfast. I've been using bioflame here as the fuel source, low rate fuel. Here's the flame coming off of my alcohol stove. So there used to be turkeys here in Turkey Point, which is how it got its name. And I guess they disappeared after a while. And they've been brought back in. Haven't seen one yet today, but I did see one when I was at Pinehurst, here at the play place. So you got a nice little picnic area over there. It's a cool thing. A slide, basketball nets over there, some other things. This little cool slide. Oh, some kid looks like they lost a coat. Some swings. Some more swings. That's what we're talking about. A stationary car. And some big tires. Gonna go do some mountain biking in Turkey Point. Gonna start at the Sodwinder Trail and see where I end up. I will try to give you an idea of what these well-groomed trails are like. I don't have a mountain bike clip. And challenging. Well, that Sodwinder Trail really kicked my arse. Why not? Let's try the burn. These are supposed to be beginner trails, but they're a little tough. The beach at Turkey Point, overlooking Lake Erie. They don't have the buoys out yet. Should be over there. Lots of people are enjoying this fine Friday. Here I am canoeing in the Waterford ponds. Once again, crashing into cattails. And you notice, those are cattails. Well, apparently fishing at Waterford ponds today didn't go as well as planned. Didn't catch anything, but I did catch the conservation officer's attention. Apparently that fishing license I thought was valid, it isn't valid. It expired 2 years ago. It said 2016 on it to me. They give you so many pieces of paper, I wasn't sure which one was which. Oh well, off with a warning, and I gotta go get a new license till I can fish again.